Partition walls can be a great way to add both functionality and style to your living room. Whether you're looking to create separate spaces within the same room or just add a decorative element to your home decor, there are plenty of partition wall design ideas to choose from. Here are some options to consider for your living room in 2023. 1. Sliding doors. Sliding doors can be a stylish and functional way to partition off a space in your living room. They come in a variety of materials, including wood, glass, and metal, and can be customized to match your home's decor. 2. Bookcase wall. A bookcase wall is a clever way to partition off a space while also adding storage to your living room. Not only does a bookcase wall offer plenty of storage space for books, decor, and other items, but it also adds a visual element to your living room that can be used to showcase your personal style. 3. Glass wall. A glass wall is a modern and sleek way to partition off a space in your living room while still maintaining an open feel. And they can also be frosted or tinted for added privacy. 4. Curtains. Curtains are a simple and affordable way to partition off a space in your living room. They come in a variety of materials and colors, so you can choose a style that matches your home's decor. Curtains are also easy to install and can be moved as needed, making them a flexible option for those who want to create a temporary partition. 5. Wall dividers. Wall dividers are another affordable way to create a partition in your living room. They come in a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and fabric, and can be folded up and stored when not in use. Wall dividers are a great option for those who want to create a flexible space that can be easily changed as needed. 7. Brick wall. A brick wall is a rustic and industrial way to partition off a space in your living room. Brick walls can be installed as a single panel or as a series of smaller panels that can be moved as needed. They offer a great way to add texture and depth to your living room, and they can also be painted or whitewashed to match your home's decor.